Hi everyone, my name is Phoebe Nubisi. Welcome to part 4 of building an agent in Copilot Studio using skills that are just some procedure and instructions that trigger some Power Automate flow that are workflows automation using and performing action. And in this video, what we are going to do is that we are going to integrate the agent with our Power Apps code app that is made up of TypeScript, React, and Vite. If you have not seen how we have built that application, you can visit the other videos on my channel that I did previously last week, and we are going to start right now. I will share with you on Chrome. This is actually our agent. We have tested on the last video. We have made a lot of testing. So what we will do is that let's publish everything. Let's click save and publish. And once we save and publish, we will make sure that this time we made the publish available on Copilot, on Microsoft 365 Copilot, and on Teams as well. And yes, and on Teams as well. So once that is done, while it is working, let's go to the skill GitHub repository to see what are the steps. If you don't know how to access this, just go to GitHub and you type Power Platform Skills, and once you type Power Platform Skills, we have a lot of folders. You click on the folder plugins and you have code apps, and then you click skills, and then you will reach the add NCES Copilot, that's Copilot Studio. And then what are the steps to do that? Here it says we need to add the connector. First of all, to be able to add the connector, you need the connection ID. The connection ID are just the connections that you have on the environment. So if I click here on this link, make.powerapps.com environments, your environment ID, and you put connections, you have all the connections that you have created in this environment. And I can tell that I have one for Copilot Studio somewhere here, so it's right here. So I have one. So right now I will go to VS Code. I will go to VS Code. Yes, so this is the formula that I have here as well. I will clear this terminal. What I will do, I will paste this function, this command that will just list all the connections that I have available. So once it creates it in the project folder, I have it here, and I just search for Copilot because we have so many ones here. You see Copilot, the ones is provider, Microsoft.Power Apps APIs, shared Microsoft Copilot Studio, and you just go to the left and you copy the ID. I already did that somewhere, so since I already did that, I will just copy what I have and paste it. I will add that source. So it's asking me if I'm using a connection reference instead of connection ID. I will say no. So it's added successfully. So once it's done, let's go back to our Chrome in the Power Platform Skills. Then it tells us to publish the agent, add to Teams, click publish, get the agent name under channels, click web app. The connection string URL contains the agent name. So if I come here, web app, so I guess it's talking about this. Example API powerplatform.com. I guess it's not this one because it doesn't look like it. So it's asking me go to in Copilot Studio, click channel, select teams, add to teams, click publish, yes, get the agent name. Under channels, click web app. Okay, I'm on web app. Here it's giving me the embed code instead of this. Execute Copilot async v2, execute an agent and wait for the response. Let me just copy this and open Claude there and ask it to integrate to my channel. So let's come back to VS Code. Let's open Claude. I would say, can you add this agent to my app, or let me know if you need anything else than what I have shared. Let's wait. So it's checking the memory bank, it's checking the power.config.json, it's reading files. It says the Copilot Studio connector is already, yes, I added it already. Let me find the generated service files. So I guess it's coming here now on the source folder. It's coming to the generated one services. This is the Microsoft Copilot Studio. So this is where it comes and search for that, the Microsoft Copilot Studio service. So it says I will add a scheduling agent chat screen using the iframe, embed, wire it into sidebar and app shell. We are making it, guys. We are making it, guys. We are making it, guys. We are making it. So now it has all the context. It's creating the screen for the chat and add it as a page key to do the wiring with app.tsx. Yes, that is our main brain of this application. So it's working. Let's do this. Let's do this. So while it's doing that, let's go back to Chrome. Let's see if there's another step that we are missing. Like you saw on those services that was integrated, it had all of this already. It has all of this. Now it says that there are known issues. Known issue, execute Copilot files and forget only returns conversation ID, not the actual response. Oh, I guess I will add this. I will add this to Claude as a memory so that he can act on it. And then once it's done, run npm run build, fix the TypeScript errors, update memory bank with connector added, agent name. So I will go to our agent and do that. So it already added and wired it. In the documentation, these are the known issues, and also at the end, make sure to add those known issues to the memory bank file as well, and let me know if everything okay. just in case, before I test everything, I just want to make sure that it takes into consideration all those issues that were done. So it's adding to the memory bank. So it's saying added to the memory bank. Okay, gotcha. Name, iframe, embed, a table of the known three broken endpoints, response, crazy. So it says everything looks good, so we trust it. So let's just run our project because that's what the documentation says. Oh, we are on the wrong folder. So everything builds well, so we are going to publish it, and then we are going to refresh the app, and everything that we have been testing so far, we are going to test it also inside our application. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to test it. So we already have the application link. Let's go to Chrome. So when we are in Chrome, let's go to our application. It's one of these windows. Let's refresh it. Probably will ask us to refresh the window since we just did a push. So now it's asking me to log into Microsoft Copilot Studio and give it permission, and I will allow it because I just added it to the app. So now this is the scheduling agent right here, guys, on the left. Connecting to your agent. Okay. It says you don't have access to talk to this bot, contact the owner. I am the owner, guys. This is so interesting. Alright, so I will pause this video. I will see how I can give this agent access to me, that is the owner, obviously, and then come back, I guess. Let me try to say hi because it says I don't have access. You don't have access. That's really interesting. Alright, guys, let's do this together. So when I click to share, first of all, let's go to settings. On the settings, we have the access. You need to be authenticated with Microsoft. And when I go to share, I can see that I'm the owner and everyone in the organization and user, it was no permission unless specified. So now I just change it to end users access. It says make sure your users have access to the data used in Power Automate flows included. So I will click save. So once I save this, hopefully it has my name on the people with view access. So let me share again. I guess we are doing good here. So let's go back and refresh the app. Let's click this again. Let's see if it's giving me the access now. It keeps saying you don't have access to talk to this bot, contact the owner. Up till now, let me refresh. Guess I'll have to do some trouble. Alright, guys, so now it is working. I had to make some research and then I had to remove the authentication for now. So let's test everything. Let's say maybe drop off a part. So let's go to our database and let's drop off these serial numbers. Guys, it's working. It's working. It's working. I would say yes. Oh my God. Use my email. Okay. That is pretty bad. This user ID, I need to change it. That's so interesting. I'm asking myself, how does it know my name here? Okay, it's telling me that it's creating all the schedule. It looks like all these we see numbers already have existing inspection schedule. No duplicate were created. And it's right. Excuse me. I always have those schedule. So let's create some random ones. Let's create drop off for PO. So the difference that I see now is that contrary to how it was showing here, it was letting me see all the dots, like I'm seeing what loader skill are going. I was seeing everything of the process, every step, but now it's different here. Here is just giving me the response, so I don't really know what's going on in the back end. Yes. Here, for example, it has called the lookup PO workflow, but it doesn't say here, and it's asking me to confirm. Oh, okay. So it has created for all three. So I would say create estimated hour, 1 hour for all of them. All of those parts. And reason, let me not put the reason for now. So now it will find the estimated time to see if it exists. If it doesn't exist, it will create a new record. Let me check current estimate. That's what it's doing. It's calling the flow find current estimate. I love the fact that it keeps telling you what it's doing in the background. I wish there was like a loading. It says it doesn't exist yet. Okay, this will be rebrand, so it was not existing before, so it's creating it and it's asking me to confirm, because that's what I say to the agent, that always confirm. Yes, confirmed. Yeah, I prefer to confirm everything. If not, it can do some stuff and that's not what you want. So they are created. Now I will say change. I will say email this drop off to me. So it will trigger the email notification 1. It's telling me this is how it looks like. Yes. It's true that it's not formatted, but okay, we can manage. I wish the screen was bigger because it's kind of too little, but yeah, it's good. It has sent the email to me. I'm pretty sure it's on my inbox somewhere. Oh, now send to my Teams chat as well. I don't think it will work because send your Teams chat to me, but let's see if it works. I will say yes. Yes, it failed. I would say send it to this person. It failed because it doesn't allow me to send it to myself. And then I will also send to some channels that I have here. I'm trying to get my team's channel's name. It was sent to her, and I probably have it somewhere here. And then now let's send it to my channel of QC operations. Oh, the channel name is QC operations and team name is Daily Digest. So I had to make that precision because it was already confusing everything. Yes. No team name Daily Digest. Let me double check. Let me double check my channels. Okay, so I will just send it to the team name QC operation. Oh no, I gave the bad name, the wrong name. Yes. So before it was saying that no team named Daily Digest. Let's try this one. Okay, so this is done. So we have tested the notification, we have tested so now let's change this estimate that we did for 1 hour and we do it 4 hours. Change estimated time for to 5 hours. Reason, I'm pretty sure it will ask me the reason, because what it will do, it will analyze the estimated change and it will tell me that it's more than 25%. Yeah, it's 400%. So it's asking me the reason it has to be done. Approval email. I will just give my email. So I just received it on my Teams. Hopefully you guys can see it too. Let me switch to my Teams. My Teams window shows reward on the screen. I just hope you guys are seeing it well. I just approved it. It's submitting the response. I just approved it and I come back here. Let's see if it gets the result. Approval granted. Woo! It's working, guys. Done. Approval granted by FibinoBC. Now saving the updated is saved. Let's say thanks. And just like that, we did it. We made it. And it says, have a great rest of your day. Thank you, you as well. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the next video. Ciao. Bye bye.